completed Demystifying Sexuality from Enfold.
Yes.
And so, can you tell us what you gained from it and what you learned from it? Something that you found different from other places?
Definitely. Actually, it gives you a background on how it all started, and also it gives you a perspective of how everything has been happening right from bias or child sexual abuse or anything. What is the background to it? What is the history of it? How it all started. Not many people will deal with the history of how it started. It is always like this is how it is, these are the laws working, or these are the ways it is being prevented. And prevention means you have to know the root cause of why it started.
Okay.
Unless we understand the root cause, we cannot prevent it. And more than prevention, I can say it empowering. Unless we empower the children, it cannot be prevented.
Okay.
So to empower the children, the adults have to be empowered and worked on, because the adults are the ones who are taking care of the children. Directly empowering the children also, when the child is coming to an adult, that adult should know why it started or how to work on the child.
So you're talking about gender bias, you're talking about
Everything.
abuse and
Abuse, gender bias, even transgenders, homosexuality. It is not something that it came in 20th century or 21st century. It has been there for ages.
yeah. And your own personal life, if there were any issues that you were dealing with, how did the course help you there?
It it told me where my problems are coming from. It taught me also that I understood myself, why my pain or why my suffering, and I understood why am I battling with myself, and where I can work on. I got a positive thing about myself, that I can work on, and where exactly I have to work.
Okay.
That is something that made me so happy.
Really, really glad to hear that. So before you found this, before you found Enfold and came for the course, you had looked at other things. So how was this different from that?
It was definitely different. Though I was asked to talk to people by one friend, Childline Mrs. Anuradha. Once I started talking, I came to know that these were the people regarding whom I was reading about on the net.
Okay.
And then I was like, okay, this is where I was thinking, I'm turning around the same place for so long. Why am I not able to go into the right track? Then once I started talking, and they said first course for you to understand basics is demystifying sexuality. You first come for that course, and then from there where do you have to turn to. I felt that was perfect. Now I know I have clarity in where I have to work. Though it is every day one topic, there is a chain link between each topic, but I know where exactly I have to work.
Yeah.
7 days was real nice.
7 days? Why? Only 5.
Five.
Yes, you did it over 5.
5.
But yeah, it's really nice. So thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much.
Thank you so much.